Okay, today we've got something a little bit different. Due to the whole second wave of COVID coming in, Victoria's basically going into lockdown again. So we can't really be doing the big gravel grinds that we used to do with like 10 people. But you've got to get a ride in anyway, so Sandy and I thought we'd head out and make some coffees in the bush. So I packed up the Trangia, I've got the speaker, all the essentials, said goodbye to the cows, and headed off to meet Sandy just outside of Swan Marsh. Actually riding to an area today called the Stones. It's called that because it's where people used to get stones from. You'll see there's like a traditional stone wall on the left here, and this is the area where they would get all the stones to do that. I think Sandy told me that it was Irish or Scottish settlers that would come over and build all these stone walls in the traditional way that they would do back in the UK. So it's a pretty scenic area. They don't build the walls anymore, but you can still see the remains of a lot of that trade here.
Huh?
Shot again.
Nah. You. Good spot.